Hello and welcome to MCX Investor Protection Fund COMQUEST 2023 partnered by ET Now. With an aim to raise awareness about commodity markets among students and the youth, COMQUEST is back with its 5th edition. While there was participation from over 6,000 participants, only 8 contestants made the cut and reached the final gold round based on their pure thirst for knowledge. First up, I'd just like to invite Mr. DG Praveen, the head training and research at MCX, if you could give the inaugural address.
It's really exciting to be here. We started this COMQUEST program in 2019. We thought initially what could be the response, and we were having a little bit of excitement. But the response from day one, that means the first year itself, it was fantastic, I can say. I can say that this year it is going to be, the competition is going to be much bigger. Or I can say that biggest, because there is a big jump. Like last year, if you see, we were having around 225 institutions have participated. Of course, more than 5,000 students have, even in the online mode, we could see that many students partaking in this event. But this time, really the event has gone to a next orbit itself. It gone more than 400 across pan-India. You can say that almost from any area, they really have participated. Everybody is a winner here. There is no loser as such, because we are learning. Everything, whatever is posted, even the question is posed to a different one, we are learning out of it. To conclude my words, I would like to say one thing. Believe in yourself. Invest in yourself. Okay, these two things are very important. So all the best to all the contestants. With that, I hand it over to you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. I'd now like to call on stage Mr. Sajeev A. George, who's the chairperson PGDM here at SPJIMR. The SPJIMR is also our venue partner.
First of all, on behalf of SPJ and Institute of Management and Research, let me extend a warm welcome to everyone. We are very, very proud to associate with MCX and also with ET Now for this program. So I hope the association with SPJIMR will also continue. When you look at these kind of competitions, of course, it's very highly interdisciplinary, because I think people learn a lot from by participating in this kind of competitions. I hope more and more students will be inspired to participate in competitions like this. I'm very, very thankful to everyone in MCX, especially to Mr. Reddy, Mr. Praveen, and Mr. Srikanth, everyone for choosing SPJMR as the partner, the venue partner for this event. I wish all the very best to the finalists of the program, and I wish everyone all the very best. Thank you so much.
Without further ado, I'd now like to invite our chief guest, Mr. P.S. Reddy, the MD and CEO of MCX. Sir, if you could come up on stage for your address.
Let me at the outset congratulate all the participants. 6,000 plus participants have made this event a grand event. It's been growing from strength to strength, and I think this year about 6,700 plus students have participated, of which almost all 40% are girls, and I hope next year it should be more than 50%. All these participants are not only going to, contest is, is one thing. The second thing is creating awareness among the investing public about the commodity markets. And as MCX, we are not only able to do just price discovery, but also able to lend hand to medium and small players to deliver their products in a dog-eat-dog competitive world. Let me thank the SPJ Institute and ET Now and my colleagues from various departments who have put together this program, and I wish all of them a grand success. All the best. Thank you.
Let's take a look at the top 8 contestants. First up, we have Rakshit Sharma from National Institute of Securities Market, Raigad. Nilotpal Sarma from Vinod Gupta School of Management, IIT Kharagpur. Mritula Subramanian from Hindustan University of Technology and Science, Hindustan University, Padur, Tamil Nadu. Sparsh Juneja from Indian Institute of Foreign Trade, Delhi. Amandeep Sachdeva representing 4 School of Management, Delhi. Preksha Surana from SP Jain Institute of Management and Research, Mumbai. Kushagra Nirvan from Indian Institute of Foreign Trade, Kolkata. And Lakshay Narang from Symbiosis Center for Management and Human Resource Development, Pune. This quiz, now there'll be 3 rounds: spice round, metal round, energy round. So we're kicking start with the spice round. Spice round, let's go over the rules once again. Total of 16 questions, 2 questions to each participant, but I'll come to each participant turn by turn. The question cannot be passed on. They have to answer. It is a visual round, so the clue, I will say it out as well as the images will come up. You'll get plus 100 for the correct answer, no negative marking. All right, Rakshit, you ready?
Yes.
Okay, here's your first question on the screen. Which exchange is the benchmark for trading in futures contracts of this commodities? Is it A, Zhengzhou Commodity Exchange, B, Chicago Mercantile Exchange, C, NY Bot ICE US, or D, Tokyo Commodity Exchange?
It's option A, Zhengzhou Commodity Exchange.
Unfortunately, that's the wrong answer. That's actually soya bean. So the correct answer is Chicago Mercantile Exchange. Okay, let's move on. Second question. Nilotpal, coming to you. This commodity is also used in the production of cosmetics, prepackaged foods, soaps, and hair care. Option A, Brazil nut. B, cotton seed. C, crude palm oil. D, canola.
Option C, crude palm oil.
Okay, correct. It's correct. It is crude palm oil. Let's move on. Question number 3. Here's your question. Now, this commodity is called Goblin's copper. It's a component of some plant enzymes which metabolizes urea nitrogen into usable ammonia within that plant. A, silver. B, lead. C, nickel. D, zinc.
I'd like to say D, zinc.
D, zinc. Unfortunately, wrong answer. It's C, nickel. All right, question 4, Sparsh. Ready? Used in the manufacture of paints, fertilizers, plastics, etc. It is lighter than air and over 100 million years old. Is it A, hydrogen, B, methane, C, butane, or D, propane?
I would go with B, methane.
B, methane is the right answer. Good job. Amandeep, here's the question for you. Which country is the largest producer of the commodity? Which is the country largest producer? A, Vietnam, B, Brazil, C, Indonesia, D, India.
A, Vietnam.
All right, that is the right answer. Very confident answer there from Amandeep. Preksha, this one's for you. All right, the atomic number of commodity common in all these images is A, 50, B, 13, C, 79, D, 26.
D, 26.
D26. Wrong answer by half. It's actually by double. It's actually B13. Aluminium. Okay, moving on. Kushagra, here's the question for you. Identify the commodity that has the least melting point. Lead, B, zinc, C, silver, D, copper.
I'd say D, copper.
D, copper. Unfortunately, wrong answer, my friend. The correct answer is lead. Lead has a low melting point. Okay, Lakshya, coming to you. The exchange trades in the futures contracts of the commodity in the picture. So which is the exchange that trades in futures contracts of this commodity? A, is it the Intercontinental Exchange, the Dalian Commodity Exchange, Chicago Mercantile Exchange, or Zhangzhou Commodity Exchange?
I would go with B, Dalian Commodity Exchange.
Sorry, wrong answer. It's D, Zhangzhou Commodity Exchange. Which pair of commodities are best represented in the graph? At the end of round 1, here's a look at the scores. The second round is the metal round, which is the buzzer round. There will be 16 questions in this round, and the contestant to buzz first will be the one to answer the question. Let's take a look at the metal round. this is the metal round. This is the buzzer round. If you get it right, there's a plus 100. If you get it wrong, there is a minus 50. Let's begin. Remember, buzzer round is open for everyone. Which pipeline became operational in September 2022 around the same time when the Nord Stream pipeline became unoperational due to explosions? A. Yamal Europe pipeline. B. Siberia pipeline. C. Baltic pipeline. D. Southern gas corridor. Anyone? Someone. Mridula.
Option A, Yamal Europe pipeline.
Yamal Europe pipeline. I'm sorry, it's actually C. Baltic pipe. Sorry about that. That is the wrong answer, unfortunately. Which metal has been added to the Bloomberg Commodity Index for the first time this year? Is it A. Lithium, B. Lead, C. Cobalt, D. Tin? Yes, Sparsh.
I'd go with A, lithium.
A. Lithium. Sorry, man, it's actually B. Lead. Though we would love for it to be lithium, especially now that, I think today's news was that it's been discovered in Jammu and Kashmir. So unfortunately, that's B. Lead. Let's move on. The metal which turns green when oxidized is, okay, Rakshit.
Copper.
Copper. Sure. Aggressive. You guys are all playing aggressive, man. Okay, let's hear the options. A. Silver, B. Zinc, C. Palladium, D. Copper. And good play. It is D. Copper. Well done. All right. Let's go. Which of the following company is a leading producer, 6th in the global rank, of one of the precious metals in the world? Is it A. Hindustan Zinc? Is it B. National Mineral Development Corporation, NMDC, C. Hindalco, or D. Moil Limited? Yes, Nilotpal.
A, Hindustan Zinc Limited.
Hindustan Zinc Limited. Good job, that is the right answer. It is Hindustan Zinc Limited. Well done. The clearing house for the London Metal Exchange LME, a wholly owned subsidiary of Hong Kong Exchanges and Clearing HKEX, is A. LCH Clear, B. LME Clear, C. HKFE Clearing Corporation Limited, or D. EU Clearing House. Yes, Amandeep.
It's B.
B. LME Clear. Fantastic, right answer. Maybe the tide is turning in your favor now. Alright, good job. Okay, India aims to meet a target of net zero carbon emissions by dash. After a thrilling metal round, here's a look at the scores. This next round, like the contestants have also been saying, ladies and gentlemen, could just change everything. Why? This is the energy round. Energy round is our rapid fire round. 1 minute on the timer. I have 8 cue cards. Each is numbered. Each has a number on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 10 questions on that cue card. 1 minute on the timer. All you need to say is yes, no, or pass. If you get it correct, you get 100. If you get it wrong, you get minus 50. If you say pass, 0, no plus, no minus. Lakshay, if you can just tell me a number between 1 to 8, I'll pick out a card for you.
5.
5, okay. If you're ready, your time starts now. In options contracts of commodities, new strike prices are introduced every week based on the last week's closing price.
No.
Correct. Market capitalization is a common method to construct commodities futures index.
Yes.
Wrong. Brazil was the largest producer of soya bean in the world in 2022.
Pass.
In India, exchanges trading in the commodity derivatives contracts are now classified as stock exchanges.
Yes.
Correct. Tamil Nadu is the largest coffee producing state in India.
Yes.
Wrong. On the expiry day of the futures contract, the delivery order rate and the due date rate are the same.
Pass.
most of the lead metal produced is used for the manufacturing of car batteries?
No.
Wrong. A stop loss order ensures that the trader has zero loss on his trade.
No.
Correct. The price quotes of all the metals contracts traded on MCX excludes GST.
Yes.
What did you say?
Yes.
Okay, I'll take that in because it came just before the buzzer, and yes is the correct answer. Good going. All right. Nice. 9 out of 10 questions answered. That's a good one. Preksha, give me a
4.
number. 4. Okay, here we go. At higher strike prices, call options command higher premium.
No.
Correct. Weights of components to the indices traded on MCX is rebalanced half yearly.
No.
Correct. China was the largest producer of gold in the year 2022.
No.
Wrong. Opening of repository account is mandatory for all exchange members and clients if they intend to take delivery in agri commodities.
Yes.
Correct. Tokyo Commodity Exchange offers trading in platinum and palladium futures.
Pass.
Extreme loss margin has to be collected by member from client on an upfront basis.
No.
Wrong answer. Due date rate is calculated by taking simple average of 5 days of tender and delivery period.
No.
Correct. Delivery of commodity through the exchange is only valid for a certain period, after which it has to be revalidated.
Pass.
US has the largest natural gas reserves in the world.
Yes.
Wrong. Okay, good quizzing. Again, 9 questions, guys. You're all answering this really well. All right, Sparsh, your number.
1.
Number 1. If you're ready, here we go. Excess returns is a methodology that is used to construct commodity futures indices.
Pass.
The city of Adilabad in the state of Telangana is a major trading center for cotton.
Pass.
The trading of forward contracts for commodities in India is regulated by SEBI.
True. Yes.
Wrong. Australia has the largest deposit of aluminium metal in the world.
Yes.
Correct. The premium from buyers of call options as well as sellers of put option contracts in commodities is blocked upfront.
Yes.
Wrong. The Singapore Exchange also trades in the derivatives contracts of freight.
Yes.
Correct. Silver has a very poor reflectivity of light.
No.
Correct. The Chicago Board of Trade is the largest exchange in the world for trading in wheat futures.
Yes.
Correct. At the money call option will get devolved into a futures buy position on expiry.
Yes.
Wrong answer there. All close to the money option. Okay. Good going, good going. Rakshit, sorry, I don't have an option to give you. You have to go with question number 7. That's the one left. Question number 7. Last one here. If you're ready, your time starts now. The payoffs of a call option buy and put option sell position will be the same.
No.
Correct. Karnataka was the largest coffee producing state in India in 2022.
Yes.
Correct. Both gold and silver ETFs have now been made available for investing in India.
Yes.
Correct. Peru was the largest exporter of copper in the world in 2022.
No.
Correct. The US Fed Bank has around 8,000 metric tons of gold reserves.
Yes.
Correct. There is a distinct possibility that a limit order might never get executed.
Yes.
Correct. If on expiry the call option is ATM, then the buyer will get back the premium paid.
No.
Correct. On devolvement, and in the money buy put position will get converted into a futures buy position.
No.
Correct. CH4 is the chemical formula for natural gas.
Yes.
Correct. During the staggered delivery period, the buyer has to take delivery in T+3 days from the warehouse.
No.
Correct. I'm out of questions, my friend. Wow. I think that just changed the game. Talk about playing it safe, my friend. That was, I don't know, it wasn't safe at all, but wow. I have to take a breath. Wow. So, Rakshit, what? You taking the trophy? You sure?
Of course.
Okay. Let's take a look at the scorecard, ladies and gentlemen. Second runner-up is Sparsh Juneja from Indian Institute of Foreign Trade, IIFT Delhi. All right, first runner-up, as we've already announced, Nilotpal Sarma from Vinod Gupta School of Management, IIT Kharagpur. All right, the winner, Rakshit Sharma, National Institute of Securities Market, NISM, Raigad, winner of COMQUEST 2023. Thank you so much, contestants. Thank you, Mr. Reddy, Mr. Praveen, Mr. George, and ma'am, vote of thanks. If you could please help us with the vote of thanks.
Stellar performance of all our participants. The winners, congratulations. Absolutely fabulous job done. Rakshit, we've never had such an entertaining round. I mean, I was counting myself whether I remember any of this. I've been with the exchange for really long, but I think I need to hit the books back to, to actually know more about commodities. So great job done. Thank you for, really giving us great knowledge session, I should say. So on behalf of MCX IPF, I would want to thank everybody, all the participants who came in here. To begin with, Mr. P.S. Reddy, our MD and CEO and the chief guest for today. He's always standing behind us to have more and more knowledge, information, spreading events, encourages all the youngsters all the time, to participate in such events. Thank you so much, Professor George, for giving us this venue and having a lovely beginning speech for all of us, encouraging the participants. So SP Jain as our venue partner, thank you so much. Praveen, of course, the brain behind the entire COMQUEST with his relentless working along with the entire team, Shrikant, Ashutosh, Rovina, Vineet, who've all been contributing in terms of creating a bank of questions. So thank you so much for helping to put up this entire event. Sanjana, how can we miss you out for all the branding work that you do? Putting something like this it's not an overnight thing, it's a humongous exercise, including being touch points with various external teams, etc. Thank you, Times Group, for doing this kind of arrangement. And what do I say about the students? I mean, 6,700 students. Thank you to each of you for actually wanting to participate in COMQUEST. It just makes us feel happy that this is spreading. Like Sir said, that next year it will get bigger and better. The biggest happiness is for the number of women who have participated. So, over a period of time, that has only gone up. And all the girls here, stellar performance. Thank you so much for just being a part of this entire quiz. So on behalf of MCX IPF and MCX, thank you for just being here and making this such a stellar program.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, this brings down the curtains. Another edition, 5th edition of MCX COMQUEST 2023, one that will definitely go down in the history books. My name is Sumit Lakhotia. Thank you so much. We look forward to seeing you, welcoming you again next year on the next edition of COMQUEST. Till then, be passionately curious always. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Really thrilled to be the second runner-up in this MCX COMQUEST 2023, and I want to thank MCX for their support throughout the journey, and they're very helpful to us regarding the education part and bringing us to this platform so that we can share our knowledge with the world.
It feels really great. It was quite a tough competition, or in a national final. The 8 participants from the first, that 6,700 plus people being here and participating in the nationals. It was quite tough, but I'm happy that I came out second.
It's a very proud moment for me today, as I have successfully won the COMQUEST, MCX COMQUEST 2023, the 5th edition, and I'm proud that my name will always be registered with MCX. My experience so far has been quite challenging. The quiz was not child's play, it was quite difficult in fact. So all my preparation has paid finally, and I'm happy for that.